Discover the magic of Google Docs. Whether you are writing a paper, collaborating on a project, or organizing your thoughts, this versatile tool makes it easy and efficient. Let's dive in and unleash your creativity. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to start with Google Docs. So first of all, what you have to do is open your browser and dive into Google Docs. So here we have it. So you click over here, but before let's know what is Google Docs. Google Docs is an online word processor and part of the free web-based Google Docs editors site offered by Google. Google Docs is accessible via an internet browser as a web-based application and is also available as a mobile app on Android and iOS and as a desktop application on Google's Chrome. So we have here other information as you can see. So we have just to click over here and you will find this page as you can see. So to start with Google Docs, you have just to choose a blank document or select from various templates. Familiarize yourself with the toolbar for formatting options, inserting images and adding links. To collaborate, click the share button, enter email addresses and set permissions for others to view or edit your document. Ready to start creating and collaborating seamlessly. So to get started, you have just to click over here and you create a new document. You will find this page as you can see. So I will just delete this one. So here we have here if you want to write the title, for example, write this like that. Then here we have here if you want to make it star or nope. Then we have here if you want to move it. For example, here we have all locations, my drive, shared drives, computers shared with me also. And we have here see documents. This document is not ready for offline use. If you lose an internet connection, you can edit these documents. To access your documents without an internet connection, turn on offline. Then here we have here three options. So as you can see, we have here written notes. You can just here we have date, calendar event. You can just write person attendance, and we have a note. You can just add notes, and action items. You can add action items. Then you have your email draft. You write the person that write the email and the person that received the email, and then we have subject like that. So here you write the subject, for example, Google Docs. As you can see, here you write the email messages. And then you can also modify this and you write whatever you want here. Insert one. So this is how it looks. And then we have options like here we have date, drop down, placeholder, meeting notes, email draft, project roadmap, and we have review tracker, projects assets, and we have launch contact tracker. So right now I will show you how you can get started. So firstly, we have your other options like file here. So we have like open, make a copy, share, email, download, rename, move, add default path to drive, move to trash, version history, make available offline, and we have details like language, page setup, print also. Then we have the option of edit, and we have here view, insert also, as you can see. Then we have here format, tools, extensions, and here we have help. So firstly I will show you how it works. So here we have the fit. You can choose the one you want. For example, I will choose here 200 or 100, so it's very comfortable, this one. And here we have, I will choose title, and I will choose here in the more fonts, I will choose for example this one. And the size I will choose here 60, and I will choose here bold also. and here we have a line and indent, line and paragraph, and other options. Then I will choose, for example, bold here, and I will write it right now. And about the color, I will choose, for example, this one. And I will write like here Google. So I will just add here to this one, and I will write here Google Docs like that, as you can see. Then I will come back and I will just choose here again subtitle, and I will choose here, for example, Jira, and I will choose here the size, for example, 36. So then I will choose here the size 36 as I mentioned. Then I will choose here and a line like that, and the color I will choose black. Then here we have insert link if you want. So I will just add one option, which is numbered list. So write, for example, here how to start with Google Docs like that. So just click over here. I will write space, and then I will come back and I will do the same options. For example, here I will choose here subtitle again, and I will choose here, for example, this one. The size I will choose 36, and I will choose here, for example, italic. And about the color, I will choose also black, and then I will do the same things. I will select number list here. Get started with Google Docs, like that, as you can see. So this is it. So here we have other options here, like search the menus. If you want to endo like that, as you can see. Then we have here print and other options here, and then we have here the zone, styles, fonts, and we have here font size, and then we have the writings, insert link, add comment, we have here insert image, align, and we have here also line and paragraph spacing, and we have here checklist, belted list, and we have a numbered list, and more here. We have editing mode, hide the menus if you want, for example like that. And if you want to add a comment here, we have just for example right here, this one. And if you want to add a comment, you click over here. Also the option if you want to add an emoji reaction, suggest it is. And then we have here if you want to join a call or present this tab to the call. Then we have if you want to share. Here we have also here show all comments. Last edit was seconds ago. Then we have here or try Gemini and my Google accounts here. So this is how it looks with Google Docs. We can just get started. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys.